If you just received an RFE from USCIS, take a deep breath. Because an RFE does not mean you're denied. It usually means USCIS is saying, we need more proof before we can approve you. But here's the part people don't realize. How you respond to an RFE can make or break your case. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so you can respond the right way and avoid delays or denial. The biggest mistake people make is they panic, and they only skim the first paragraph. Don't do that. Instead, read your RFE slowly and find the section that lists what USCIS says is missing, and treat it like a to-do list. Because your response must address every single item they asked for clearly and directly. This is one of the most important parts. USCIS RFEs have a strict deadline, and if you miss it, USCIS can decide your case based on what they already have, which often leads to denial. So as soon as you get the RFE, take the deadline date. Put it on your calendar and plan to send your packet early, not last minute. Most RFEs fall into a few big buckets: missing documents, not enough evidence, wrong format, translation issues, missing signatures, unclear copies, financial or sponsorship issues, very common in family cases. Here's the key takeaway: USCIS is not asking for more papers. They're asking for the right proof. This part is simple, but powerful. Your RFE response packet should be organized like this. RFE notice on top, copy of the letter. Cover letter that answers each RFE point clearly. Evidence behind it, labeled and in the same order as the RFE request. And one critical rule: send everything together in one response packet. Do not send item number 1 today and item number 2 next week. USCIS expects a complete response. A lot of people think more is better. Not always. The best response is complete, organized, directly answers what USCIS asked for. You can include extra evidence if it strongly supports your case, but never distract from the actual request. Here are my biggest takeaways. Make a mini index. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C. Highlight key lines in bank statements or documents, light highlight only. Send copies, not originals, unless USCIS asks for originals. Use certified translations when needed. Mail with tracking plus delivery confirmation. If you file online, USCIS counts it, received the day you submit electronically. And finally, an RFE is often your one best chance to fix the issue, so treat it like the final exam, not homework. If you received an RFE and you want help organizing it the correct way, we can help you build a clean response packet. Cover letter structure, evidence checklist the correct order, USCIS likes, just comment RFE and tell me which form it's for. Like I-485, I-751, N-400, or I-130, and I'll guide you step by step.